Nk'uko muri kubibona, aha twatangiye gusuka za twist, they call them fake twists, kubera nyine just use the thread. Nk'uko nari nabibabwiye, ni ukuvuga ngo nyine iyo urangije gukora your wash day routine, you style your hair as you want. So this is how I wanted to style my hair, using the thread to make fake twist. So you see now it turned out beautiful, isn't it? So ni uku nguku tuzikora, and to secure the end turi gukoresha amasaro. Yeah, so it looks neat and perfect to me. So just let me know, how do you find them? Okay. Gusa iyi style iri simple, easy, yeah, and the same time it looks beautiful. Urabona kuyikora biroroshye, ni just guhambiraho urudodo ubundi ugatangira gutwistinga all the way down. And this method, it is even good ku muntu udashaka gukora blow drying. Ushaka kuyikoresha on wet hair as a way of stretching your hair, or as a way of length retention, to retain your hair length without using heat. Because for some people, when heat is not used carefully, it might cause some damage. So for those who doesn't want it to go for heat, they can even use this method as a way of retaining length. You see, it's easy, and at the same time, it looks chic, isn't it? So nk'uko muri kubibona, this is the finished look. Urabona ko turasa neza, turoroshye ku mutwe, ntabwo turemereye pe, n'umubebe w'umwaka umwe watumusuka. So guys, njyewe iyi style nayikunze, iri very light, nta kuyisuka biroroshye, n'umuntu wese ugitangira gusuka iyi ngiyi yayisuka. So I hope ko namwe muzayitryinga. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you in my next one. Bye.